Our BoostCharge Pro Flex braided silicone cables adds durability and flexibility to your charge. Up to 30x more durable than ordinary cables, giving you a long-lasting charging cable that resists getting frayed and tangled. Includes a magnetic cable management system for added convenience. Available in 1M, 2M, and 3M lengths and in 4 colors. Withstands up to 30,000 bends based on internal laboratory test result, compared with 1,000 bends for an ordinary PVC cable. Fast charges iPhone 12 from 0 to 50% in 25 minutes when paired with a 20 WPD power adapter. Charge time varies with environmental factors. Actual results will vary. Top reviews from the United States. Everything I needed except for one thing. I haven't seen that many reviews on this, so I wanted to help out people looking to purchase this cable. Quick specs. 10 feet, 3 meters length. Supports up to 20 WPD charging. 20 W is maximum this cable will support. Has a magnetic cable management strap. Includes magnet to attach on surfaces, however the adhesive doesn't hold up well and has already started to come off for me after 3 weeks of use. Strong nylon exterior. I have noticed this material is less prone to getting tangled. One thing that would make this cable perfect for my use case is if this cable supported the iPad Pro 2nd generation and earlier. Another thing that would be great of Belkin to include are 2 of the adhesive magnetic plates instead of 1, as the adhesive weakens relatively quickly.